Chakobah with pomp and gaiety. People scale Lehaulay Poching to offer annual prayer. And Manipur logs 3 coronavirus deaths, 39 fresh infections. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity beyond oceans and borders. Considering the seriousness of COVID-19, it's about time we step up against this deadly disease. Maintain a safe distance from others even if they don't appear to be sick. Wear a mask in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible. Choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Get vaccinated when it's your turn. Follow local guidance about vaccination. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. Hello, this is PONYTV giving you the latest Sunday English Bulletin. I'm LAKSMIBAI. Now the news in detail. Different civil society organizations organized Chingtam Ningol Chakobah 2021 with women from different communities at Ima Ibema Kuntok Nganbi Shrine located at Thangmaiban College Gate in Imphal. The program was jointly organized by Indigenous Minority Socio-Cultural Organizations Manipur, Indigenous Minority Organization Manipur, United People's Front UPF Manipur, Haumi Research Guild Manipur, National Identity Protection Council NIPCO, and Manipur Peace and Integrity MAPI Council. The Meitei community in neighboring Myanmar's northwest region also celebrated the festival of Ningol Chakobah. The Meitei widely celebrated the festival in Teksikong village under Homalin Township in Khamti district of Sagaing Division, according to a release from the Myanmar Meitei Development Association MMDA. Manipur celebrated Ningol Chakobah, one of the biggest festivals with pomp and gaiety. All Jiribam United Club Association Ajuka and Jiri Development Organization JDO also celebrated the event. Chakobah is celebrated on the second day of Hyanggai month of Manipuri lunar calendar. Ajuka President M. Mapi Kaksana, JDO President N. Sadananda Meitei, Priti Rani Malik of Brothers Union, Abdul Rauf of AJMS CDO, Rongmei Naga Council Advisor Tahemang Panmei, Meitei Pangal Progressive Society President F. Ahmad, YPA President Thangwai Paite, and Signing Club Laisabi Toll President Angom Indra Kumar attended the celebration.
Handak asi khajitang corona asi pongthorokpagi khudong chabasi laujaraga ekoi isalise singmayam asiga sak sami najaduna thedok hendongna ekoi na ngamjaba khudun po khajitang tamjaraga ekoi jiri iram dam masida ekoi ireiba ka sidaida leriba awana mayam asi tinna taina duna ekoi mongol asba nijaduna aduga ekoi nasu namjaba mongol asba nijaduna ekoi tekta kaidaba yai phaba mongol loiba aduga chaukhatpa awa khuro chendaba iram dam mama koi minna bagi damak kata ekoi aiba konai sinani sina ekoi jiri gi tungan ba.
A large number of people in traditional dress today climbed Leho-Lepo-Ching, a hill in Kasar Sonai, to offer annual prayer to a Meitei forest god, which is strongly interconnected with the Meitei civilization. The annual event was restricted for months due to the COVID-19 pandemic. LAKSMIBAI, General Secretary of Leho-Lepo-Ching, Umang Lai Ngaksel Lup Sonai, told media that people from Manipur also offered prayer at Leho-Lepo-Ching. Leho-Lepo-Ching Umang Lai Ngaksel Lup Sonai Kasar President Yumnam Manikanta stated that the king of Kasar married to the Manipur king Madhuchandra's daughter, Princess Tabalay Sana. Maharaja Madhuchandra ruled between 1801 and 1806. Princess Tabalay Sana was later given the name of Induprabha and became Queen of Kasar. She was accustomed to climb Leho-Lepo-Ching to offer prayer to the Meitei forest god. Since then, people were attracted by the hill because they wanted to see the queen scaling it.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯀꯨꯝꯖꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯕ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯍꯧ-ꯂꯩꯄꯣꯛꯆꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯕ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯎꯃꯪ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯡꯊꯣꯜꯂꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯅꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯆꯥꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯟꯖ ꯂꯥꯡꯖꯩ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯃꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯄꯤꯖ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯄꯨ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯍꯟꯒꯅ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯄꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ.
Manipur in the last 24 hours registered 39 fresh infections of coronavirus. With this, the total tally rose to 1,24,086. The state also reported 3 fatalities, taking the death toll to 1,934. According to a release from the state COVID-19 Command Control Room, the positivity rate was recorded at 2.9%. The COVID-19 Command Control Room also said 6 people were discharged in the past 24 hours. The Manipur government has been accused of failing to clear the food costs spent by volunteers of Kaching COVID Care Center (CCC) and Community Home Isolation Center (CHIC) when the COVID pandemic swept through Manipur. Former CHIC volunteer M. Ravichandra demanded the state government to reimburse Rs 24 lakh without delay. The amount was spent in supplying food to inmates, he said, adding that the government has time and again promised to clear the cost, but it has failed to translate it into action.
Kaksing DC ngasi DC gi hek mamang dina ko ingang jiri basi adu DC na su masigi problem solve tabu ngamuk taba honorable MLA su CM na su masigi problem si solve tabu ngamuk taba di ngasi ko lengak ta aikoi yang pendana ko yang wana ngasi pressure amak lengak ta honorable CM pabung na amukang na amtang tabiu aikoi kaksing kendra sida aikoi catering service ta covid ki luru ba timing da kathok chabi aikoi na ngasi thengai ba issue ma kaise akoi kharasu ubi uhai duna akoi media da ngasi phonglok sabani adubu honorable CM na ngahai gi ba akoi gi khabar kagas ta tawgi mayam du ngasi phongdorok ba thabok ne tokthulok ba chama khenar ko se akoi volunteer social organization lai ba akoi mukhaida atak pen da phaujai babung honorable CM na amutang yang changbiu aroi boina haiduna akoi media mamang da phonglok se.
Now we have a short break. Stay tuned.
Karigumba dom yumda laiba anaba singi hidak kappa dressing tauba blood sample loba rice tube hapa catheterization hapa enema tobinaba experience lairaba nurse amati doctor thibada awaba thengnabirabadi wabiraganu Medlin Home Nursing Care Service Manipurna pung kunmari chukna adongi yumda latuna hida kapa injection piba dressing tauba feeding tube hapa catheter hapa amadi makhal kya ge anabasing experience leraba doctor amadi nursing laktuna mating pangzari akupa marol gi damak Medlin gi helpline number 9205987988 amukasu 9205987988 ta call tawna tanabiu natraga Google Play Store dagi Medlin app download tawna booking tawi.
Welcome. After the break, you're watching PONYTV English News at 6:30. It is unfortunate to observe that dominant community in Lilong constituency residing around Chingkham Kavui village taking the law into their own hands in connection with the setting of police outpost on fire at Chingkham Kavui village on 3rd of November. The Joint Tribe Students Association JTSA said in a release. It condemned such act of taking law into their own hands against the minority community of the area. JTSA said it will not remain a silent spectator on this issue and appealed to the Manipur government to take stringent action against all individuals, leaders, and organizations involved in inciting communal tension, disturbing the peaceful coexistence. Lamlai Mapari Thogal Loop is glad that the Manipur government's Go to Village program will be held in Lamlai constituency from November 9 to 11. The organization thanked Chief Minister N. Biren for his initiative. Go to Village is an initiative of Biren government to reach out to the people at the doorsteps. Lamlai Mapari Thogal Loop appealed to the people of Lamlai to join the 3-day-long program without fail. A total of 6 youths reportedly attacked 2 officers of the Guwahati Traffic Police Department in the city's Pan Bazar area. All the 6 youths were later arrested by the police after an FIR was lodged against the youths for the crime, as per a media report. The incident took place late on Saturday night when the 2 traffic police officers had stopped one of the youths while he was riding in a high speed. Later, the youth returned to the spot with 5 other accomplices and beat up the 2 traffic policemen. The policemen who were attacked have been identified as Ritupan Saikia of the Pan Bazar Traffic Police and Utpal Gohan of the Latasil Traffic Police. According to reports, one of the youths is the son of a policeman from Pan Bazar Police Station in Guwahati. Police in Tripura have slapped as many as 102 social media handles with charges under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, UAPA. The Tripura police has also served notices to social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube, asking them to block the 102 accounts that have been slapped with UAPA charges. The police have also sought detailed information about the users of these accounts from the social media platform authorities. These 102 social media handles have been booked under UAPA for allegedly sharing objectionable news items or statements in regards to the recent communal violence in the state. Some persons or organizations are publishing or posting distorted and objectionable news items or statements in Twitter regarding the recent clash and alleged attack upon mosques of Muslim communities in the state. In publishing these news items or posts, the persons or organizations have been found using photographs or videos of some other incidents, fabricated statements or commentary for promoting enmity between religious groups or communities in presence of a criminal conspiracy, police said in their notice to Twitter. Similar notices were also sent to Facebook and YouTube. The cases against the social media account holders were registered at West Agartala Police Station, a media report said. Now we have another short break. Stay tuned.
Ningol singi punsida khwaidagi maruoiba numit asibu hena magol hapnabagidamagta leizare bridal makeup and potloi collection by Tojo Chongtham. 9366 214 258.
Welcome. After the break, you're watching PONYTV English News at 6:30. The target of institutionalized broadcast of the PM's monthly radio show, Man Ki Baat, to every poll booth is aimed at enhancing the reach of Narendra Modi's message to the people. The Bharatiya Janata Party has set 3 targets for expansion of BES in poll-bound states and in regions where its organizational structure is weak. The party aims to set up booth committees in all the 104,000 polling stations in the country by December 25, appoint Pana Pramukhs, voter list in charge in all states by April 6, 2022, and ensure broadcast of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's radio program Man Ki Baat by May 2022 across all polling booths in the country. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan on Sunday said the targets were set at the ongoing meeting of the National Executive Committee in the capital. In Gujarat, the party carried out an experiment where, apart from booth committees, patch committees were also set up. By December 25, all booth committees will be ready. At present, about 85% have been completed. The BJP relies on these organizational units on the ground to increase people-to-people contact and increase the scope of its election campaign, the leader said. The institutionalized broadcast of the PM's monthly radio show, Man Ki Baat, is aimed at enhancing the reach of Narendra Modi's message to the people. The PM speaks directly to the people through Man Ki Baat, and at the booth level, it will be institutionalized by making arrangement by May 2022 for its relay, Pradhan said. According to reports, the indigenous Zydus Cadila developed jab is likely to be included this month and will initially be administered only to adults. Ahmedabad-based Zydus Cadila's Jacob D., the country's second indigenous jab against the coronavirus disease COVID-19, is likely to be included in the nationwide vaccination drive this month, with the union government placing an order with the drug manufacturer for 10 million doses of the vaccine. Also, the needle-less jab, which receives authorizations from the Drugs Controller General of India, DCGI, on August 20, will initially be administered only to adults, despite being the first vaccine to have been cleared for an age group below 18, being approved for inoculation of those aged 12 and above. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at the top news headlines again. Manipur celebrates Ningol Chakoba with pomp and gaiety. People scale Lehou Leipo Ching to offer annual prayer. And Manipur logs 3 coronavirus deaths, 39 fresh infections. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News. Keep watching for more updates.